Hi friends, there are 6 estimation techniques in project management and you will know what they are in this video. Analogous estimation is a technique of estimation where you look at a similar task which has happened in the past, see how much of time or cost it has taken and use the same for the current activity or task. It's very easy, isn't it? You just look at the amount of time or cost taken and consider it. If you ask me if it is reliable, I would say yes, if it is an exactly similar activity. If not, then you have to take the variations into consideration. What are the things which are different in my current activity than that activity? And then do certain changes accordingly. Even then, it may not be totally reliable because you are just trying to copy something which is there in the historical information, right? It may not be completely reliable, but it is more or less accurate. This is analogous estimation. Parametric estimation is an estimation where you follow a certain algorithm to come up with the estimation. Let me give you an example. Let's say it takes 10 days to complete one drawing. Then how many days would it take to complete 5 drawings? 50 days. It's accurate and you are doing it based on some experience. So the parametric estimation is an accurate way of doing an estimation of cost or effort. Three-point estimation is an estimation technique where you take 3 estimations into consideration. The most likely estimation, the optimistic estimation, pessimistic estimation. See, there could be many problems that could occur during estimation, right? And not all of them can actually occur. Now imagine that all of those issues have occurred. All of those risks have become issues. Now, how much time will it take for you to complete this task? You take the worst case scenario and put a big number, right? So that's the pessimistic estimation number. Now, optimistic estimation number. Now, imagine you have no problems that would come up during your work, and then think how much time it would take. That is the optimistic estimation. Most likely, you just ignore certain things, you just assume that certain things would happen in a certain way, and then do the estimation. Most likely, this is the time that I would take. That's the most likely estimation. Now, what you do is take all of them, add them up, and divide by 3. You're taking an average of all the 3, and that is the estimation value. This technique is also called triangular estimation. Bottom up estimation is where you divide a big chunk of work which you can't estimate in one go into smaller parts to an extent that you will be able to estimate. Now you have got the estimates at the bottom level, add them up to come to the estimation of the parent task. That is the bottom up estimation. Alternative analysis is commonly used during the estimation. What happens here is if you follow certain new techniques, it may take lesser time to complete the work, or you may follow an alternate approach and you will find lesser time to complete the work. So what you look at is all the options that are available to do this work, and then how much of time I might take for each of these, and then you choose one of them based on what is best. That's the alternatives analysis technique. Fibonacci estimation is an estimation widely followed in agile way of working. Fibonacci estimation is an estimation where you look at the Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So add the previous two numbers to come up with the next number. That's the Fibonacci series. Now what we do is we ask the team to do the estimation by choosing one of these numbers. The reason why this technique is excellent is because it gives a idea in the mind, a better idea in the mind, than asking how much time will it take, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, than it takes to say 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 8 days. There's a bit of a gap between the numbers, right? So it's easier for you to decide which one it would fall under when there is a bit of a gap between the two numbers. This is Fibonacci estimation.